Hey everybody, Brandon Promo Day exclusively at Promo Corner. Now I'm a big gadget guy. I love having every little tool for every little thing. And today's product, check that out. You didn't even think it was in my pocket, did you? Is the eco-friendly charging cable kit from KTI Promo. We always have those times where we're like, oh my gosh, I forgot this, I forgot that cable, I forgot this connecting piece, I don't have that cable, I don't have that. Well, now you do. It's always on the go, it's always with you, whether it's in your pocket, whether it's in a small pocket inside of a bag or a purse. But check this thing out. Let's look at what's on the inside here. So this little bad boy pops up. First of all, nice big imprint area right here on top. And now let's open this thing up. Once you open it up, it's got a nice little magnetic closure. Check that out. But on the inside is a USB charging cable, and then about every single attachment for any type of modern phone. You've got the USB-C, the micro USB, even the lightning cable for Apple products. If you need to, I don't know, like I'm not the kind of person that's going to be trading SIM cards out a bunch, but they do have a nice little SIM card key in there too. And then it's got a regular USB connecting piece here. So if you need to power from a regular USB port instead of USB-C port, you can do that as well. I love all the little capabilities of this, and it does one more thing. How many times have you been working somewhere or you wanted to take a picture and can't set your phone up just right? Well, this little bad boy's got you covered. So you set it like this, set it down on the ground like that, right? So on this side, this little piece pops down, and now you can actually set your phone there. So thanks for watching our quick little video on the eco-friendly charging cable kit from KTI Promo. And make sure you go to promocorner.com so that you can find some products that you or your customer can use every day. You guys didn't see the cell phone holder coming, did you? I didn't either the first time Stephanie showed me.